Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Sabrina, and Sabrina writes from Passaic, New Jersey. And Sabrina writes, "We're planning to sell our home. Seems like everyone who sells has an open house. Do you think it's necessary to have an open house to sell your home?" Well, Sabrina, I think many people mistakenly believe that you need to do an open house to sell your home, or that if you do an open house, your home will sell for a higher price. But there's so many people who believe that perception often becomes reality, and realtors often will throw an open house to satisfy sellers, and sometimes realtors benefit from doing an open house themselves because other buyers will come and then they can then do business with those buyers later on. But for you as a seller, open houses are generally a waste of time. And there's really three factors that determine your ability to sell your home. And it has nothing to do with an open house. The first is buyer awareness. So buyers need to be aware of your home, otherwise they're not going to make an offer to purchase it. The second is buyer preferences. Right? Every buyer has different preferences. Some will like your home, some won't. The third is buyer budget. How much money the buyer has and how much access they have to mortgage financing. So those three things, right? Buyer awareness, buyer preferences, buyer budget. That's what will determine your ability to sell the home. Now, if your realtor does an open house, it'll create foot traffic. People will show up. They see the realtor sign and balloons and everything. But the kinds of people who show up for open houses are typically, right, curious neighbors, window shoppers, looky-loos, tire kickers. Not the serious home buyers that you need that will actually buy your home. So it's effective pricing more than anything else that determines your ability to sell your home for the highest amount, not whether your realtor does an open house or not. So thanks for your question, Sabrina. For more real estate information and tips, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.